Narasimha Rao is not just a person, is also history. He had been banished from the political landscape. Rajiv Gandhi didn't give him a ticket in 1991. We are what we are today because of those 5 years, 91 to 96. I have known Samir ji for some time, and I've seen the way he picks his content, the way he nurtures it, and the way he has produced meaningful content, entertaining content, and popular content. We have been talking for some time of working together, of doing something, and I didn't know that it will come about in such a wonderful way. Thank you very much for the opportunity. When I came to this city, Mumbai, we had to book a trunk call, an ordinary one or a lightning one. We still used to get postcards and telegrams. That this nondescript, diminutive politician from Hyderabad, who was almost on the verge of retirement, he had packed his bags, he has packed his books, he had already started sending them away. He had rented a flat in Mumbai because that's where probably he was going to get a Rajya Sabha seat from. He had also contemplated to become a Mahant in a mutt. He had been banished from the political landscape. Rajiv Gandhi didn't give him a ticket in 1991. And that man knew exactly what had to be done to this country, and he got the opportunity, or he maneuvered to get this opportunity because he had the will to do it, he had the guts to do it. As I would like to just kind of draw your attention to what Vinay said in his message, that Vinay has of course collated the story of Narasimha Rao right from his childhood until his death and post-death. But Narasimha Rao is not just a person. Narasimha Rao is also history. Narasimha Rao is also the social, historical and economic situations and circumstances, the way they presented themselves and made him take decisions, or sometimes not take decisions, as he would say. So this is what we are going to try and attempt, is that we are going to take one man's story to tell the story of India through those 5 momentous years. And we will try to do our best to create a very engaging, interesting thriller of a story which will be believable and which will be based on facts. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.